adventure. We're heading off to the beach. Well, yeah, we're going to the airport. We're going to the beach where you can see all the planes come down.
I also think that it's just a walk. I can see the runway from here. I know you said there's a bus, but everyone said there's a bus. Please, there's a certain element of laziness in these islands.
Okay, so we've been told to get a bus, and Nick thinks we can walk. So let's see how that turns out. So yeah, this is the main street on the Simpsons Bay side of the lagoon, if that makes sense. This is Airport Road, and as you can see, it has a certain charm.
We read in the guidebooks that Sint Maarten has a shabby side and a not so shabby side, and as yet we can't work out which is which because they both seem a little bit shabby. But there's a strip club and a kebab house on this side, so who knows? This is the shabby side, yeah. So this is meant to be the Dutch side, but I've seen one jar of applesauce and it just seems to be very American.
My Dutch grandparents would not be impressed with this.
No.
Do you admit that the bus is a good idea?
Yes, on camera, you were right. I was wrong.
So we tried to walk and we ended up in some back street behind the airport.
Bada Bing strip club.
It's a song strip club. Where eventually we turned around and decided to try and find the bus. I'm glad we did.
This is something I've always wanted to do.
Is it?
Well, actually, yeah, I saw it on a travel thing when I was a kid.
Yeah.
So basically, this thing is going to be about 10 metres above your head.
Yeah, there's a plane coming in now.
Alright, so let's...
It's quite fun. I think this is a big one. I think this is the Air France flight that we've been waiting for. That was awesome. That was way cooler than I was expecting. How cool was that?
Yeah, that's the plane. There's all these plane spotters there doing their fucking...
What?
They're videoing it going, this is the flight number, blah blah blah, Air France, nerd asses. I thought he was talking to me, I'm like, Air France, and then he carries on talking to the camera.
Well, I thought that was quite cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was. Yeah, it's it definitely raises your heart rate seeing this plane coming.
Yeah. For a moment you're like, oh my god.
Okay, by a plane. It's brilliant.
This is how I'm gonna die.
Alright. I'm done.
I'm done, yeah. That was it. That was a quick excursion.
Yeah. Step 1, paddleboard explodes.
Our paddleboard just exploded.
Step 2, we contact paddleboard with sad face to say paddleboard's blown up.
So there you go. It's come apart completely.
Step 3, man of paddleboard company, very nice, despite the fact we didn't have any receipt for the paddleboard because our paperwork disappeared. Step 4, paddleboard company contact paddleboard other people. Step 5, they send us a new paddleboard. The thing was out of warranty, it blew up, and they express delivered one from Devon. So, you know, fair fucks to them. So there you go, there's my review. Fair fucks to Red Paddle Company. Well done.
How'd you go, babe?
Yep, a sweaty and difficult box to manoeuvre. But,
Here she is.
yeah, our new paddleboard, our replacement paddleboard, which, thanks to what can probably be described as the best customer service I think I've ever had.
You're not in focus. Hang on, stop moving. Stop moving. Why aren't you in focus?
Because I'm exhausted. Alright, that's it. Fuck that. That's under where it's meant to be.
You weren't focused that whole time. That's devastating. Pretty excited to have a paddleboard again.
I know. I hope I don't fucking fall into this turd-filled swamp.
Well, if you do, I'll have it all on camera.
It'll all be on film for posterity's sake. Goodbye, good night. Find my model, tell her okay. So, Phillipsburg, capital of Sint Maarten.
Dutch Sint Maarten.
Dutch Sint Maarten. Yeah, nice little bus journey. Anyway, because we're such early risers, we come to Phillipsburg and it's closed.
What time is it?
I don't know.
I think it's about 8:30. And it's off.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You good?
Yeah.
Good to hear. Am I framed with fronds?
You're not framed with fronds and you're in silhouette, so two bad things are happening right now.
Yeah, I should tell you, I think 20 years ago this place must have been beautiful before they stuffed it up and put a great ferry terminal in.
Yeah.
But we'll take a walk over there and we'll see what's going on. Get your B-roll. I'm making B-roll. Get some B-roll. Get your freak on. I'm making B-roll.
What do you have to say for yourself, Mr. Fabry?
I don't think I have much to say today. No, not yet. I need a second coffee, I think. I don't know, what do you think of this place?
Oh, it's a bit nothing really, isn't it? It's got a few nice little features, but...
I mean, if you kind of got a big bulldozer and just shit-canned all this stuff, it could be quite pretty. It must have been a really beautiful bay once, but as with a lot of these places...
You mean all the, you mean the dock, yeah. You can walk.
I
think we've come here at the wrong time of day. We're coming like 9 o'clock in the morning and nothing's open. It's quite nice.
Yep.
Isn't it? It's nice. I think probably at a different time of day it'd be even nicer.
Old Street, St Maarten. This is the road to get back. No, there's a bus stop there.
There's a bus.
Pensa que do la monnaie.
Ah ben voilà.
Depuis vous joindre.
Ah ben ok, c'est bien.
Les monnaies pas de monnaie. $50. Combien ça va me dire?
Ça m'a dit.
Voilà.
Ah ben papa bon ça mon cher.
J'avais ma travail mon dit 50.
Ah ben merci vous êtes ça.
Les samedis, ça il y a moi-même.
So, because we're nerds and we love food, we get really excited when we find supermarkets. The Caribbean is not full of decent supermarkets, and there's a big Carrefour, and because the French do supermarkets probably better than most of the countries, we're surrounded with salamis and cheeses.
got lost.
roasted garlic.
We got lost on the bus journey back, but happily it drove past the Carrefour, so
I know.
stop.
Okay, what are we after?
Wow.
Come and smell this stuff. Come and smell this stuff. It smells of France. Sniff that. Smoked garlic.
I can smell that before, I didn't know what it was.
I sniffed it and it stuck on me. It smells lovely.
It smells like a wood fire.
I know. Well, it's beautiful, isn't it? I mean, it would stink the boat out, but
Yeah.
man, wouldn't it be nice?
Any other fruit?
No, we've got to carry it back. We'll come back with the bus.
Pistachios, for example.
All right, let's go and buy like a massive vat of apples.
$10 US of that.
10.
$10 US.
In all fairness, that's a fair whack. Well, look at the biscuits. Regardez les biscuits, regardez les biscuits, beaucoup de biscuits. Et les lollies. Nous avons trouvé les lollies. No. No, I'm going to try and stop eating on this hammer. I see. Look at this. Doesn't make not a lot makes you run.
See, this is in what is that? That's not
Dutch, darling.
Is that Dutch?
Yeah. Heerlijksplooksen.
It looks like something that came from inside an animal once. This is what excites us these days, a well-stocked French supermarket. And actually this supermarket's really cool because it's got a lot of American brands. It's a Carrefour, so it's a French supermarket, but it's got loads of American brands and heaps of Dutch stuff, which is kind of weird but cool. Unfortunately, we can't read any of the instructions on the Dutch food, so, you know.
Well, you either cook it, eat it, or smoke it. After 45 minutes in here, we've bought a load of crap that we're never going to eat. And yeah, one of those things is we've got Vietnamese cold rolls. Terysa? Oh, for the love of Jesus.
Hi, thank you so much for watching another one of our episodes. Please come back next week where we sail to the BVIs. We do a night sail. It's a beautiful sail. I'm sure you'll really enjoy watching it. Don't forget to subscribe right here and join us on Facebook right there. And also, for fuck's sake, Nick. Why? I always got it right and you start doing this on the camera.